Now what I'm going to do is my snowmen need eyes. So you could use, candy for eyes or whatever. I'm just going to use this detail piece for this one. Give him eyes and a smile, just like that. I guess he also needs a nose, doesn't he? What we can do though is we can actually take some of our red icing and give him a shaped nose. We kind of get in there like this. Following the same kind of technique we used on the trees. And you can see it gives him a nice 3D effect on his nose. It's a neat little effect. And this is going to be my festive snowman, so he gets sprinkles, multicolored sprinkles. Just in the lower half of his body. You don't want to put sprinkles on his head, that would look kind of strange. And for my other snowman, he's going to get the same red eyes. But this snowman is going to get, oops, can't get the lid back on this. Good enough. He's going to get a green nose. Just differentiate him from his other snowman friend over here. So you just take a little bit of your icing. Make sure you stir all any lumps you have in there out. And just apply it just a little bit at a time. There we go. Oh, made a mess. This one got a little bit of his nose on his eye. So if that happens, you can just take a knife, kind of swoop down, try to shape it back together as best you can. But like I said, you're not looking for perfection. It's a cookie. This snowman is going to have green buttons going down the front of his snowman outfit to match his nose. So we'll put one here, one there, and one here. There's that. And this snowman is wearing a red costume, as we will soon see, as I decorate him with the red sprinkles. Taking care not to put too much on his green buttons. So there you see. I've got the multicolored snowman with the three-dimensional nose. And I've got the white and red snowman with the three-dimensional buttons and nose. So that's our snowmen.